How to fix Spotify 14 days aboard. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and you have to go now directly to apps or applications, and then you have to go to Spotify. When you found it, just open it like this and go to this button first, storage, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last thing is going to Play Store and update in your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.